Welcome to OFI Vietnam, where we take pride in our world-class facilities.
Our job is to ensure that we deliver one of the best quality possible in the market, ensuring that products are meeting the international standards and delightful for our consumers to consume.
When it comes to working with our private label customers, we take a lot of pride in working together to understand their needs primarily. In many cases, it may just be related to the quality of the product. But what we are seeing in the past 2 years is that their requirements are a direct reflection of what the consumers are looking for. And in many cases, it's all about like what the consumers need for their own health as well as the health of the planet.
They put trust into our brand and also products to deliver high qualities and also reliable solutions for the need. So we put their expectations and satisfactions is like paramount.
So we actually in the innovation team, we are the advocate of the OFI purpose, which is be the change for good food and healthy future.
People of Vietnam are very hardworking and they are very committed to the job. When it comes to delivering a product on a set specification, we just need to provide an SOP and they will deliver as per the specifications of the product.
It's really the readiness and the desire of the customer to be sure that what we offer to the customer is really the best product they can have. It's really the peace of mind that we can give to our consumer.
Grown with care, manufactured with quality, and shipped with pride from OFI Vietnam.